Hello, my name is Ana Paula Ortega and I'm going to talk to you about the alternative sources of energy. This is any energy source that is an alternative to stop using the fossil fuels, because this alternative searches for quitting the use of fossil fuels such as its high emissions of carbon dioxide. That is a very controversial effect of global warming. The development and deployment of new technologies to deliver the world's energy needs from renewable sources are essential if we are able to reduce our dependency on fossil fuels, to stop or reverse climate change, and to provide the world's growing human population with the energy it needs. So why choosing an alternative source of energy instead of the burning of fossil fuels? Because first of all, they are clean, which means that they doesn't produce greenhouse effect gases, which contributes to the global warming and contributes to affect our health. They are inexhaustible, which means that fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas do not replenish themselves, and sun, water, and wind are sources of energy that will always be available. They are safe. Renewable energy generation do not poses any risk for the people or for people's health or for the environment, which is totally an advantage, because in difference of fossil fuels, it affects a lot. They are available everywhere, which means that water, wind, and sun energy are available all over the world, no matter where you are. This means that the capacity for generating enough and a great variety come from many places, diverse places, which means they are supplies in everywhere. Okay, so in conclusion, why choosing the alternative sources of energy? First of all, the combustion of or burning of fossil fuels releases large amount of sulfur and nitrogen oxides that reacts with some gases from the atmosphere and precipitate in form of acid, sulfuric, and nitric, increasing the acidification of water in general. This precipitation is called acid rain. It can cause damage to the vegetation, accelerate the contamination of land and water, corrodes building, metal structures, and vehicles. So, as we have already indicated or talked, all transport that consumes electricity can incorporate energy from renewable technologies, wind, hydro, solar, biomass, etc. There are plenty of them, without changing its technology and taking advantage of this energy, such as reducing the emissions, reducing dependence of foreign energy or the burning of fossil fuels derived from exhaustible resources.